everybody, and today I will introduce the fashion tolerance review. Look at this one, the custom super smooth. And we will use waterproof nylon for this one. It's very resistant. Look at this. We will custom the inner structure with the detachable velcro. One this and the other. Of course, you can custom make more pieces so that we can place the item as we need. And this one is the inner pocket. We can put another item such as papers and others. So now let's go it. Look at other part. This one is another pocket. Look, high quality velcro. And also we can custom make the inner structure with the detachable velcro. Look at it. So that we could custom the different layers, such as 1 layer, 2 layers. Now let me put them on. So that we can see the items more clearly. And that we will use another pocket for another items. Also the smooth, high quality velcro. Look at this. And under this, we custom made a clear pockets for the ID card. On the side, we will have the side pocket. So look this one. 2 custom made pockets so that for different drink and food. Close it. Look at this high quality and thickened shoulder steps. So we can hook it on our shoulder smoothly. This one is the tolerant and the smooth feels. Look at this. So then we can carry it easily.